In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this The Last Dance homemade sublimated mask. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your fabric the size that you need. So what I would do is get your t-shirt, or here I have polyester fabric, fold it in half and then cut it in a 6.5 inch by 9 inch piece. Iron out any wrinkles that you have before you start sewing, and also I iron the folds line as well to make it a little bit easier for when I'm sewing. My fabric is the same on both sides, but if you have fabric that has the front and back, make sure that you fold the two fronts towards each other and then iron on that side, and then you're going to sew it from those sides as well, because then you're going to flip it inside out so that you don't see the seams. So here I'm just turning it out so that I have the size that I want to sublimate on. This is a Sawgrass sublimation printer, and so it allows me to print out whatever image I want onto this paper and then sublimate it or heat press it directly onto my polyester fabric. My heat wasn't evenly distributed, so it kind of got a little fog line kind of across their jerseys, but I still kind of like it, so I just kept it and went with it. Once you've added your image and sewed the edges, or if you decided not to add an image and you did not want to sew it, you are then going to just flip over the edge just a little bit, and you're going to cut little slits so that you can string through the t-shirt fabric. Cut some strips of the t-shirt so that you can use these to string through your mask, and you're just going to kind of stretch them out. Once you've stretched out your t-shirt strings, you're going to weave them through the mask. Finally, if you have coffee filters, or I've heard that some people use the fabric softener sheets from the laundry after they've been washed a few times so there's no perfume on them, you're going to just cut that and stick it inside of your mask to serve as a filter. Thanks so much for watching. Comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and please be sure to subscribe.